In this video, we will be going over service tips and tricks as well as troubleshooting. The first thing you'll want to check is that your jamb is vertical and your sill is level. To ensure the panel is plumb, the cams must be reaching the strikes. If not, you can make adjustments from the lock side of the active panel.
The R right here stamped into the part could also be an L. The R and the L are either right-handed or left-handed. All of it should match on the entire panel. And it's all based off of exterior view, the direction your active panel opens.
To adjust the rollers, you will need a 4mm Allen wrench. Working from underneath the panel, locate the hex slot on the front roller. Adjust in quarter turn increments, then recheck the reveal each time. In most cases, only the front roller will need adjustment. If you find that both the front and back rollers require significant adjustment, go back and re-verify that your frame is plumb, level, and square.
The center point, the pivot point of these cams is off center. We have a slightly more cam above our pivot point and slightly less below. If we want the back side of this cam that makes contact with our strike to be less, we can rotate all of our cams 90 degrees, and that has less cam pushing against our strike. If we need more compression, we can rotate the other direction, and that has more compression against our strike. Additionally, if we need to reach towards our lock strikes better, these cams are all threaded, and you can thread them away from the panel.
Once the reveal is consistent, if you still have difficulty locking the panel against the lock jamb, the next step is to adjust the closure pins located on the lock style of the active panel. Begin by removing the weather stripping to get a clear view, or you could gently push back the weather stripping to gain access. If you have worked through all of these steps and are still experiencing issues, visit colbywindows.com or contact your Colby Windows and Doors supplier.